How to log into your Chase Bank online banking account. Whether you are managing your finances, checking your balance, or making payments, logging into Chase online banking is quick and secure. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to log into your Chase Bank online banking account. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to chase.com or launch the Chase mobile app on your smartphone. Both platforms provide easy access to your online banking account. For this video, I'm using the web browser. Once you're in the official website of it, you'll see the option of sign in at the top right corner. Click on it. Enter your Chase account's credentials, username and the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me. If you also want to use the token, you can check in for the option of Use Token, then provide your token number. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on the option of Forget Username or the Password to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Sign In. Then you'll be directly taken to your account dashboard where you can manage your Chase Bank accounts. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on Not Enrolled In and go through the registration process. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log into Chase Bank online banking account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.